Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. Today we'll show you something simple. Well, we hope it's simple. We're going to be putting in a tail light in our 2000 Kia Sportage. This is the old lady's everyday driver. And so pretty much anything I do out here in the shop, if I think it's helpful to y'all, I'm going to show you how it's done. Well, as you can see, this one's been hit and taped up and all that, so it's got to go. I got on my old eBay, picked me up one from one of the salvage yards on there. Yeah, they give me the right side. And it was $35, that included shipping. I didn't think that was too bad. But I am going to get y'all off in here, and we're going to try to figure out how to put this thing in. I have never put one in before, so it's a learn as you go thing. First of all, cut that cut-off plug off. Alright, so, alright, I'm going to bring y'all in here and let's see what all we need to do to accomplish this job. Alright, well, according to this one, 4 10mm nuts hold it in. So, we got to get to it. Well, let's start taking stuff off. Take that thing off. By the way, it's where your windshield washer fluid goes. Alright, I'll snap that panel, go to speaker, and there's supposed to be a manual release for the door fill. Yeah, there it is. God, that's full of junk, ain't it? Alright, extra cigarette lighter plug down in there. Let's grab us a Phillips head here. Matter of fact, alright, we don't even have to take this panel off, guys. I thought we would have to, really. It's going to be simpler and easier than I thought. Yeah, if we can get to it. Alright, we got 1.79 million wires back here. Alright, that is the tail light wiring, I can tell that. That's what all this mumbo jumbo crap goes to. Huh. Well, anyway, that's our wiring. Now we know we have 4 10mm nuts that we got to get to. Well, we don't need the extension like I thought. Got that one loose. Bit a few more wires in the way. Yeah, it'd probably be easiest to grab a wrench to get them. Let me grab a wrench right quick. All right. Yep, we dropped that one. Good thing the one we bought has some on it. Trying to use a socket to spin this one off. when you get your panel off, you'll be able to see where these two here are. So they're right down here in this indentation right here. That should be it. It's like it's glued in there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we took off. I don't see anything else around here. That's what's nice about having your new part, the used part, whatever. That way you can see. Maybe it's that rubber seal. I'm going to say this is the original light, which, you know, makes it light 20 years old. Yeah, there you go. It's just trying to be a pain. Alright, there's the old one. And what I'm going to do, I don't know if y'all can see or not. I was going to swap out all these bulbs. But instead of doing all that rigmarole, let's just plug it up. We'll see if all the bulbs do work and everything works right. If not, then we'll go through the trouble of trying to take all them out. There we go. Drop seat so I can see back here and see if it's working. Alright, there's a brake light. Park light, brake light, reverse light, and a blinky light. Well, that's good to know. That saves us a lot of trouble. Get that unplugged. Make sure all of these are in there well. We'll take these nuts off. Yeah, I gotta say it's a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. Thought I was going to have to take a whole plastic panel here off, but apparently you don't, and that's cool with me. Alright, now let's just put her back in there. Line up the holes. Cool, I didn't drop that one. Alright, you don't have to tighten the crap out of these. Just snug them up and that's fine. Alright, plug up your plug. Shove all them wire things back in there. Voila, there you go. Easy peasy, no problem. Now there, don't that look just a ton better? Won't get pulled over. And I'm sure the old lady will be happy about it. Well guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a short video, but it was one of them quickie, let's learn how to put a tail light in a Kia videos. And it worked, no problem, looks a ton better. We're more legal than we were, and it was quick and simple. And it didn't cost much, so all of the above, we like it. Well guys, again, thanks for watching. If you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. And please, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Till the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.